Everyone just started joining in.
Then we're gonna start.
Oh, damn. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is the live stream of the devs. Oh, it lag. I hate the lag. I don't have enough RAM for my PC.
So, after only 6 months from the last live update, we are back. I would say we are very good at this. So, we are here to show you a new product, let's call it, which is called the RetroGadgets Playground. So we've been working on this playground basically to allow you guys who have been making great gadgets for all this time to share them outside the Steam workshop. So the idea is that you can make a gadget as usual. Then when you publish it on the workshop, it will also automatically be shared on this platform where people that don't have retro gadgets or even Steam then will be able to download and play your gadget. So we're very excited about this because we think that most of the gadgets are very nice and they deserve to be enjoyed by people that don't have the game too.
Yeah, I think we should say one thing, which is, in fact, it will be a free product.
And it's a separate program on Steam. It's a separate page and everything.
That's basically all we have. So you can just select a gadget and that this is already installed. Let's say Orbiter and hit install. Okay, already installed here right now, and then it run, and the gadget will run on your desktop. That's basically what it does. Now I can play with the gadget like usual, but it's outside the old RetroGadgets game. Each single gadget basically has a page, which is the gadgets page. Right now, we are fetching all the information from the workshop. So those are the information from the workshop. And you can comment. So there's a comment section. You can start a discussion on gadgets like gadget, and then hit comment and go. That's the idea. So you can have your personal page when you can do whatever you want. Let's install this other one. You can see same thing. This is bigger, 71 megabytes. And once it's done, you can of course download multiple gadgets together. And well, that's the basic idea about that.
So this is an actual app that you download from Steam and run as a game. But we will also have a website which looks basically the same, where you don't have to have Steam. You just go on the website, and then when you click install, it will basically download an installer for apps. And then after that, you will be able to run all gadgets like now. Yeah, the Siboops was asking if we need to open the app in order to run a gadget.
Yeah, you need to launch the RetroGadgets Playground, which is a Steam app right now. It will be a separate app, and then once you have it, you can launch gadgets.
Yes, but you can also double click on the gadget, right? I remember we did that.
Yeah, let me check. You can. No, let me do it. Double click a gadget to run it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Same thing.
Largo is asking, will this replace the tray launcher in main RetroGadgets, or are there going to be duplicates if you have both RNG and the playground running? Yes.
That's a good question.
Yeah, it's what we've been debating for a while. No. Luca, you said, because we went back and forth.
You let me say the wrong thing. Thank you.
Yes, you say the wrong thing.
I think we will use the playground if you have the playground installed, which is easier to browse gadgets and do whatever you want. And if you don't have the playground installed, you will have the standard RetroGadget thing in the tray area.
So after this update, we are going to have new modules. I think so. We were talking about this the other day. And so between the release of the playground and the story, we will have a few updates with basically bug fixing and new modules. I would say that.
Quickly, ask more questions.
Are multiple gadgets able to interact to each other? Yeah, this is super cool. And not at the moment, but yeah, we always talked about this.
So let's say that it's technical feasible right now with the
Yeah.
Wi-Fi module, but you can talk to the other gadget directly. You should do it through an API or a server or something like this right now. Now that you can run multiple gadgets at once, like this, we should definitely think about it later on. I agree with Dummy135. We need more Easter eggs in the game. Or maybe you haven't found them. But
Maybe you haven't
I
found
love
them.
Easter eggs in games as well.
We would like you guys to beta test this. So the way we want to get you on board is you will have to apply for a key, for a Steam key for the product. We will post a news item on the Discord and probably on Steam as well. Exactly how to apply for a key and who to send a message to and all this stuff. Where you guys beta test this and we fix bugs and all that kind of stuff. And in theory, at the end of May, we can release everything. So the playground as a Steam app and also the web version. So also another thing, because we want to encourage you to make new gadgets so that we can then put them in this page, the staff picked page at launch. We will need probably at least 8 gadgets because you know these are 8, but maybe more. So we thought of having a prize for the gadgets that will be staff picked, which means picked by us and you cannot say anything. It's our decision. But we will reward you with a prize, which is, yes, a real RetroGadgets mat that
What?
Luca is, not this Luca, the other Luca,
Oh,
has been using for a while now. Do you have? Yeah, it's a very cool mat. So yeah, you'll have to work, guys. That's that's how it works. So yeah, and I encourage everyone to work on a new gadget. If you want to win,
yeah.
a cool mat. It's a win-win situation. You're gonna get a mat, and we are gonna get really cool gadgets to show off in the stuff picked at launch. Well,
Correct. Yeah.
thank everyone for joining, and we will do another live update in 6 months. Oh no, I wasn't joking. Well, who knows? We'll try
Who
to
knows?
be more. I think I said the same thing last time. Oh, we'll try to be more,
Yeah.
proactive, blah, blah, blah. Then 6 months passed. So we probably will
Sorry.
do another live at launch for this one. That makes sense, So
Yeah.
it's
Showing
basically,
the gadgets who won the
yeah,
prizes and
yeah,
whatever.
in a month. Yes. Thank you again,
Yeah.
guys. And
Thank you so much for being here and listening to us.
see you,
Thank you,
everyone.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, that basically I think that's it. So there were like a lot of kind of cool new things, and I love that they actually like a lot of questions. Oh my god, my computer, it needs more RAM. It keeps falling behind. I don't think that the video stream is good. I'm dying. Alright, so that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Bye.